Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see how to factory reset your Skylight calendar. If you want to factory reset your Skylight calendar because of any problem or you want to refresh your Skylight calendar, then before proceeding, please aware of the following. This process will erase all the data from your Skylight calendar internal storage. This will not erase the data associated with your Skylight account. The data can be recovered via the activation code provided during the reset process. So, these are the steps you need to follow to reset your calendar. To factory reset your device, please navigate to Settings and under the General tab, tap the Reset Device button. This system will prompt you to confirm and then provide an activation code. Please write this code down and save it for later, as you can use this code to restore your calendar at a later date. If you lose the activation code, please contact the official support team of Skylight Calendars. As you can see here, these are the settings menu. This is the setting menu. In the setting, as you can see here is the general menu. In the general menu, here in the downside, you will see the reset device option. Simply click on reset device. After your Skylight calendar will be resetted.